Hello viewers, welcome to the best purchase guide on YouTube. We all know that it's difficult to find the best product according to our budget. To make your purchase decision easier and to save your time, in this video our expert team picked only the finest items for you based on features, manufacturer's reputation, price and actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Dama Inflatable Stand-Up Paddle Board. The Dama paddle board is built tough with a lighter PVC material without an extra weight while stiffer and durable enough to maintain its high capacity and length of time used. It comes with everything you need to start paddling. You get the 10.6 inflatable paddle board, sport camera bracket mount on the SUP board, 3-piece length adjustable floating paddle, hand pump which has air pressure gauge, safety ankle leash, repair kit, removable thin, 5 liters waterproof bag for essentials such as keys and food, transparent waterproof cell phone bag, a large comfortable backpack to hold everything. Height adjustable paddles, dual hand pumps, leash, repairing kits, waterproof bag helps the storage of something important when outside alone and sometimes can work as life jacket briefly, SUP board carrier helps the shipping of the board to the sea, spring rope on the board can also help the storage paddle and bag, waterproof handphone bag, comfortable and convenient full set of elite bags, easy to carry and labor saving, hard fin that will not drop. Our second best paddle board for beginners is Serene Life Inflatable Paddle Board. With upgraded premium material, which is the upgraded premium inflatable paddle board is made of the highest quality of military grade material. We provide the most durable and stable paddle boards on the market. This paddleboard upgraded wide SUP design for better balance, measuring 10.6 feet long and 32 inches wide, balancing and stabilizing on top of our SUP board is a breeze. These board can be used in the ocean, freshwater lakes, and rivers. The triple bottom panel fins help board improve overall speed, handling and steering for easier use by kids, teens and adults alike. 100% travel friendly, this unique SUP inflatable paddle board is preferred by those who have a knack for adventure. Take it with you on surfing excursions or keep it in your car for those times you want to explore. Complete with must-have paddle board accessories, our SUP paddle board will have you ready to hit the waves. Includes 10 feet 6 inches board, coiled ankle cuff safety leash, aluminum paddle, manual air pump and storage bag and waterproof bag. Third choice in our list is Rock Inflatable Stand-Up Paddle Board. Rock's premium inflatable paddle board is made of the highest quality military grade material. We provide the most durable lightweight boards on the market using the same materials as boards costing twice as much. All boards come complete with everything you need to get out and enjoy the water right away. Its extra wide design creates an incredible all-around board for riders of all skill levels. These kits can be used in the ocean, freshwater lakes, and rivers. Our board is an industry-leading weight of only 17.5 pounds, that's 20% lighter than competitors. Board dimensions are 10 feet long by 33 inch wide and 6 inch thick with a weight limit of 350 pounds. Pets love them too. This paddleboard package has everything you need to enjoy your day on the water, including your board, collapsible aluminum paddle, removable thin, coil safety leash, hand pump, waterproof bag for essentials such as cell phone and keys, and an upgraded backpack to hold everything. Number 4 in our side is Fun Water SUP Inflatable Stand-Up Paddle Board. The new ultra-light military-grade double-wall PVC is 35% lighter than similar-sized products, with excellent wear resistance, toughness and long service life. Fun Water Paddle Boards is your first choice for water sports. Fun Water inflatable paddle boards are suitable for all skill levels to enjoy themselves, explore, or adventure in water areas. Fun Water's unique ergonomic handle design allows you to inflate your paddle more easily in a shorter time. The sensitive barometer ensures that you can read the SUP inflation pressure value at any time. The multifunctional elastic string can tightly fix any objects placed on the inflatable paddleboard. The multi-purpose and ultra-large backpack can help you easily carry the paddle to any of your dream places. Fun Water stand-up paddle boards deflate and pack down into the included backpack. Your paddleboard all over the world with easy transportation on buses, trains and planes. Last in our top 5 best paddle board for beginners list is a Rocker inflatable stand-up paddle board. One of the most comfortable wheeled travel SUP bags in the market. No need to worry about how you are going to carry your board from the car to the water to begin your SUP adventure. Your Rocker SUP and all the accessories fit into the provided backpack with ease. There's even room to spare for extra gear. Comes equipped with inner stabilizing board strap and outer clinching straps to keep your board from shifting inside the bag. Easy to use 25-inch triple action dual chamber hand pump comes with an integrated pressure gauge and inflates your board up fast. Also included 4 action mounts for securing valuables, 4 more D-rings and an additional bungee cord cargo area. Floating carbon paddle is less than half the weight of a standard aluminum paddle, designed to make you enjoy your paddle session. Easily converted to a kayak paddle with a blade on each end with the purchase of an optional kayak blade, sold separately. Breaks down into 3 separate pieces in order to easily fit into your provided bag. Inflatable paddle board is 10 feet long, 32-inch wide, 6-inch thick. Board weight 24 pounds, weight limit of up to 370 pounds, great for taller riders or multiple passengers. The 32-inch width makes for extra stability while the sporty shape of the board still allows for a fast tracking experience. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.